Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Alice and this is my YouTube channel. So Christmas is coming soon and everyone is getting excited, talking about how to celebrate and what gifts to prepare. So in today's episode, I want to show you some fun Christmas gift ideas that you can make with your own hands. They are special and super fun. Okay, let's get started. The first one is a paper purse. It's cute and easy to make, perfect for Christmas. So this time I choose a light green color. First, tie out the pieces from the template. If needed, you can use scissors to trim the edges. Then fold the purse and use glue to hold everything in place. I used two kinds of glue, double-sided tape for flat areas and regular glue for spots that need a stronger hold. The regular glue can be purchased from lots of different stores, so this one I purchased from Spotlight, and they have lots of craft supplies. The double-sided tape I got from an online store, both of them are useful. Making crafts has many benefits, and it's not just about creating something beautiful. It's also a great way for me to relax and boost my creativity. When I make things with my own hands, it sparks my imagination and helps me discover new ways to use different materials. Crafting also helps to release stress. It's a great way to forget about worries and just focus on the process. Plus, it improves hand-eye coordination and patience as I work through each details. Finishing a project gives me a sense of accomplishment, and each piece I create is unique, which makes it even more special. Next, add a cute little charm to finish the purse. Now I'm going to use a beading kit to make a decorative handle. Tie a knot at one end of the string. Then string on your favorite beads. I found some cute balls and I picked a green one which matches the purse. After the beads are all strong, attach the handle to the purse. And here's the final outcome. It's cute and unique. You can use this paper purse on its own as a small gift. Or you can use it as a gift bag for a phone tryst. It's a 2-in-1 gift. Next, I'm going to make this Disney Princess bracelet. I bought this package a few months ago and haven't had a chance to make it. Now I think it's the perfect time to finish it. This kit comes with instructions, materials, and a book. You can make 3 different styles of bracelets. And I choose the one for Princess Tiana. I haven't seen her story, but I'd love to know more about it if I got the chance. The bracelet is light green, and it matches the paper purse I made earlier. There's also a storybook about the princess, and it includes the steps for making the bracelet. What's interesting is that there are a few different ways to make it, so you can pick the one you like best. Now grab your favorite drink, relax, and let's enjoy this together. Yeah, finish. So these are the final outcome. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Have a nice day, and I will see you next week. Bye!